guys, today's video is going to be an bagging video. I was gonna say unboxing, but it's in a bag. I ordered an Ipsy bag. I've gotten a shit ton of Ipsy bags in the past. And yeah, I mean, it was like hit or miss. Majority of them were misses. But I decided to purchase the more expensive one. I don't even remember what this was called. This isn't the regular one. This is almost like $25. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. It's like the Ipsy Plus bag, maybe? I don't know. One of you guys commented on a previous video and said, Ipsy is amazing. And I'm like, what? So I decided to get a bag. This is the February bag. It is March 5th when I'm filming this, so I can see that they've improved on their shipping times. I'm getting a February bag in March. Like, what? Okay. So yeah, this says February 2021 on it. Send love. All you need is love and maybe a little lipstick too. Treat yourself to whatever brings you joy. Beauty splurges, extra whipped cream, glossy red nails. You deserve it all. Things to do this month. Wear a pink glitter eye just because. Get lost in puppy Instagram for at least an hour. Buy all the candy for 50% off. Okay, I can't read this. This is a little silly. Oh, okay. I thought I was going to tell you what's in the bag, but it doesn't. Ipsy has never done that in my experience with them, so that's kind of annoying. Okay, anyway, first thing in the bag is the Benton Deep Green Tea Cleansing Foam. It is a moist and purifying cleanser enriched with green tea from Boseong, which is the most famous tea producing area in Korea. The cleanser helps clear and healthy cleansing without skin tightening while leaving skin refreshed, hydrated, and vitalized. Okay, there it is. Next thing in the bag is from Tint. This is the Dew Balm Universal Clear Glow. Okay, how to apply. Use a tiny amount directly onto skin with our built-in Smooth Glide applicator and blend for a natural and dewy finish. So, a balm. Is this like a moisturizer? I don't know. No idea. I'm gonna have to Google this guy. All right, next. Is this a lip product? No, this is the About Face Matte Fluid Eye Paint in the color, I don't know. Hold on. Oh, that's different packaging. Matte. This is in the color, I can't read that word. I have 20/20 vision with my contacts in, and I have my contacts in, and I cannot read that. And I just got my eyes checked recently, so yeah, I don't know. But this is really cute packaging. How do you, oh, okay. I wish this was for your lips, because this would be a really cute color on your lips too. This is really, really cute packaging. I will try this out. I love this color. This is like my color at the moment. Okay, two more things in the bag. This is the Glow on Fifth Beauty Bye Bye Puffy Eyes Cooling Eye Balm. Did your under eye miss its wake up call? Our cooling eye balm has you covered, infused with caffeine, shea butter, and berry extract. Swipe this eye balm on for an instant refresher and major wake up call. All right, I can't open this. It's difficult to open. The packaging. Let's open it. Let's open it. Oh, it's freezing. There it is. I will definitely try this out. And the last thing in the bag is the Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream in Cactus in Pink Pepper. I have tried Ahava, not hand cream. Wait, have I tried hand cream before? Yes, I have. I've also tried their like body wash or bubble bath or, okay. Ooh, that smells good. Ooh, it smells really good. Oh my gosh, it is like really moisturizing. Holy. You can see, you're not gonna be able to see on camera, I don't think, but you can see the difference on my skin where I just put this. Like oh my gosh, that is, wow. Oh, and this is what the bag looks like. It's got red lips all over it. Okay, so my thoughts on this bag. I'm really excited for this hand cream for sure. You know, I'll try this out. Like I said, I wish it was a lip product. I wonder if they make lip products in this packaging. This is just, it's cute. It's like a silicone kind of feel to it. I don't know, super cute. All right, what else do we got? This balm, I'm gonna have to look it up and see like what exactly it is. Is it a primer? Like, I don't know. I'm gonna have to check it out. This eye cream, I will for sure try. This, yeah, maybe we'll try this out. And is that it? Is that it? Yeah, that was everything that was in the bag. So, my first Ipsy bag in quite a while. It's all right. I mean, $25? I don't know. I don't know if it's worth $25. I might have to get another one or maybe a couple more to fully decide if it's worth it. Because you can't really judge off one bag. Because one bag could suck, the next one could be great. So, you know, you gotta get a couple to kind of judge. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll get another one. I don't know. That is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Link Ipsy down below if you guys are interested. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.